Okay, creating a character from lettering. We'll use a very simple shape, shape of a fish. What you do is put your guidelines in, dead simple shape like this. You can imagine that you're drawing a logo for a cartoon strip or something that you created, okay? So there is the fish shape, right? And what we do now is we make sure that our lettering fits the shape nice and snugly. Now imagine your character is called Fred. Okay, so this part here would be the back of the F, the letter F. So you can see how it would fit in actually quite nicely to create the tail shape of the fish there. And when you're drawing the letters, make sure they're nice and fat. You don't leave any spaces or many spaces in between so they fill the whole shape, okay? So the R becoming nice and tight up to the F there, right? Come right up like that along the guideline, then down, and then down to the bottom like that. Again, keeping that guideline nice and tight along there. And the top part of the R, there's the FR. The E, again, keep the E very close to the R as it comes in. Right, again, nice and fat. Not many spaces in between. Right, and finish off with your D, close to the E there. Right, around which will be the front of the fish there. And then of course the middle part of the D, like that. And you can finish off the character by drawing, say, a nice big eye and a smile. Okay, that's Fred the fish. Okay, so hope to see you again soon, and in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.